Hello everyone, hi, it's your girl here, Fafi. I'm here to tell you or to take you on a journey on how to enjoy your pawpaw in a fancy way. Alright, as you can see, my brother here, he took his pawpaw. You take your pawpaw, you wash it. After washing the pawpaw, you take your sharp knife, that beautiful knife you've been keeping for years there in your drawer. You take it, you gently slice or you make small lines on your pawpaw before you peel it, so that you can allow the milk like liquid that is on your pawpaw, right, to come out, and then you wash it. After that, you take that blender you've been keeping for years. Ever since you bought it, you've been like, "Ish, I will have to wait for fancy fruits like kiwis and stuff so that I can use my blender." Well, I'm here to tell you that even a pawpaw can be blended. That one in your garden, that tree that has pawpaws at the back of your yard, you can use your blender on your pawpaw and enjoy it, right? Well, you take your blender, you peel off your pawpaw, you cut it in big pieces. After cutting it in big pieces, you put it inside your blender. After putting it inside your blender, you take your 500 mils of fresh milk. You pour it. You don't pour all of it because some of it we're gonna use it at the end. You pour it inside the blender. You switch on your blender. It starts moving. You see, moving in a circular motion. You're waiting. After that, when you see that it is perfectly blended, you switch it off. You take it out. You take your beautiful cup. You pour it in, or you can even use your 500 mils bottle to drink in it. And there you have it. You enjoy your pawpaw. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me how it tastes. I would love to hear from you. Bye until we meet again.